gotta be the fastest blade changer. Post your time. You ready, Nick?
Ready.
Nice mustache.
Thanks. It's hot.
10 hours later. Did you know there's a lock on the other side of the saw? Yeah, just put them there on this nice sloped roof. There goes the bolts. Yeah, just shake it. That should do it. Oh, there it is. It is not on backwards. These were really cheap blades. They were on such a good sale. Probably could be used for a worm drive. I don't use worm drive. Oh, there's the bolt again. It's going down the roof again. Right, he's got this. Done. Time.
Time.
Time.